Welcome back to Black FTFS, guys. So guys, I'll be analyzing eurusd and gbpusd on fomc news and NFP news. So there are the two different pairs I traded on fomc and NFP news. So guys, the first pair on our list is eurusd. This is how I make my analysis on eurusd. We all know that on the weekly eurusd has been on a strong buy. Understand? So and we can all see that at this level here there was a break of structure at this point, showing that there's still room for further push to the upside. So after market came to clear out this high, at this point, we can see that it came out to take out this FVG here. There's an FVG here. It came back to take out this FVG here, showing that there's still possibility for more push to the upside. So after taking out this FVG, we can see it came to create a change of character at this level, guys. Showing that surely the direction there's been a change in direction of the price movement. So guys, and we can also see from this high here, after this break of structure, guys, you can see market making lower low, lower highs. So lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high, and then lower low into the FVG, and then we can see a lower high, and then we couldn't make a lower low here. Okay, we are now making lower high, and then we're making higher highs, guys. This shows that there has been change in market structure, creating a change of character, and then we'll just wait for a retracement to an order block, to a strong level of support, then boom to the upside. That's all I needed, and we can clearly see that this formation here, this look clearly like a double bottom, guys. This is clearly a double bottom. So that's what I actually needed to see for me to actually get in on a trade. So I think I'll continue the analysis. So I'll have to market my highest high, my strongest daily high, and also my strongest daily low. This should be also one of the strongest daily low at this point, I think. But I'll also mark out this level here, this low here. I'll also mark out that level. So marking out that level, I have to drop down to the lower time frame. But before I drop down to the lower time frame, I have to mark out my support and resistance level. Remember, I use mostly support and resistance level in while trading. So we can see at this level here, there has been quite a number of support and resistance here. You can see market took resistance here. You can see market took support here. You can see taking a numerous number of support. You can see all these weak rejections at this point. Then also we can see the support level here. We can see resistance level. We can also see support level at this point, guys, to show you that this level is actually a very strong level. Okay, so we have to mark out another level, guys. You can see at this point here. That also a strong resistance level. You can see rejection at this level. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 massive number of rejection. I can also see support level. You can see rejection at this level, guys, showing that surely there is surely going to be a kind of a reaction at those zones. So what I have to do is just that I have to run to lower time frame to show you where I took my entries, guys. So I think dropping down to the 4-hour time frame will do. So guys, this is the point and when I saw the change of character at this point. This was a change of character, and also if you look backwards, you see that there's a level at this point. There's also a level at this point. It's a level at this point. So guys, watch closely. You see the reaction at this zone. You also see the reaction at this zone. We see reaction at this zone, and also guys, we also see the reaction at this zone, guys. And we all know the normal phrase when using patterns. We always wait for the break of the neckline, and then wait for the retest, and then take the trades. So seeing this as a double bottom formation, after creating a change of character here, just waiting for it to retrace into a good strong support zone, and then give me a kind of a pattern, understand, guys? So and at that exact moment, after the break and retest, which created this pattern, the FOMC news came out. So guys, it was at 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So once I saw that it's about to break out on the pattern, and also I also saw that there was FOMC news at that time, guys. That's all I needed to enter the trade. I just watched and enter the trade, guys, and the trade actually went well, guys. So I think I should run to a lower time frame to actually show you the reason I actually we are actually entered. And before I drop to the lower time frame, I have to mark out this correction. This is a correction, guys. This is a correction. Many call it a flag pattern, guys. So at this level, when I saw this flag pattern here, after exchange of character here, after exchange of character, after this high taking out this previous daily high, I just waited for market to retrace, and retracing it gave me a strong a kind of a stronger flag pattern. So what I waited for was just for the breakout, just waited for the breakout, set my buy to, and my target was around this zone here. I think it was around this zone here, but normally this is one of the strongest daily level. This way, at least it will be preferable to at least if you want to hold the trade for a long term, to take a profit. So I think I should jump to the lower time frame to actually give you a glimpse of what it actually is in the lower time frame. You can see the lower time frame, guys. This clearly looks like a pattern, guys. You can see this wedge formation. You can see this wedge formation here, and also you can see that there was a breakout, a retest, and then boom to the upside. And if you look very closely, there's a head and shoulder pattern here, a head and shoulder pattern here. You can see the left shoulder, you can see the head, then we can see the right shoulder, and then boom to the upside. So I just put my entry around this level, then before the FOMC news comes. And remember, the news doesn't go against the actual trend of the market. Understand? The news actually follows the actual trend of the market from the higher time frame. So guys, now what I need to enter the trade. And if you want to mark levels here, this level would have been preferable to mark out. So that was it on eurusd, guys. That was it on eurusd. I think the next pay on our list should be gbpusd. So I think I should go into gbpusd now. So guys, this is gbpusd. First of all, I have to mark out one of my strongest daily low. This is strong daily low. And those guys, I want to mark out a strong daily high. This is strong daily high I respect to. And then from this point, start marking out our strong resistance and support levels. So guys, this is a level here. This level is valid. This level is valid. This level is also valid. That level is valid also. That level is valid. This level is also valid here. I will break down the reason why I'm taking at those levels. If you look closely in, you see that at this point here, come here, guys. At this point here, there has been quite a number of support and resistance at those levels, guys, and that's a strong level. To be sure, that's a very strong level. And we can see that in a more actual trend in the weekly time frame, GPSD is on a buy. But on a daily time frame, we can see this small retracement to the downside. Understand? Then we can see once market get to this point, after taking out the FVG at this point, you can see that after making all this low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, it failed to make a lower low, which caused this change of character and caused a change in direction of the market. Then we can see this correctional move and this strong impulsive bullish candle, and then we can see another correction towards the upside, guys. So that's all I needed to actually enter the trade. And also we can clearly see at this point, guys, at this point, this looks like a clear double bottom formation. A clear double bottom formation. Those who work with patterns will actually know more of this. So guys, and we can see at this point, I think I should mark out these structural annotations. So at this point there was a change of character at this point. Then we can see a break of structure at this level, guys. At this level. So guys, after looking at this candle here, this candle broke past, and this candle here broke past and caused this change of character. This candle here, this daily candle at this level, this daily candle here broke past and caused this change of character here. So what I only had to do was just wait for a retracement and take the buy to the upside. I think I should run to a lower time frame to make it more clearer. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. After this change of character here, we can see this market taking out this high and then dropping down into this resistance level to make it support. And if you look close at the high time frame, this is clearly a correction, a corrective move. This is clearly a corrective move to the upside. I think not everybody might actually see this, but this is actually a corrective move to the upside. So after this corrective move, you can see after every impulse there's a correction. After every impulse in the market there's a correction, and then there's another impulse, and then possibly another correction and another impulse. So on FOMC news, I took a trade though. On the FOMC news, I took a trade. I think I should go back to the lower time frame for you to see where I actually took the trade on. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame after this impulsive move here, this impulsive move here to the upside, I saw this correction at this point. So what I did was just to mark out my correction before the FOMC news came out. So actually having the actual trend of the market in mind, I just drew out my flag pattern. This is clearly a bullish flag pattern. So knowing that after every impulse you just get a correction and another push to the upside. So what I waited for after seeing this flag pattern, we'll just wait for market to break free of this pattern. I just waited for a breakout and then took the entry to the upside. I think I took my entry around this level. And then my stop loss was just somewhere just way below this low here. Just somewhere way below this low here. And then I just took my TP. I think around just somewhere around this zone. Because I figure out there's another level here. So guys, and that's it on gbpusd, guys. That's it on gbpusd. This is how simple my strategy is, guys. So thank you guys for actually watching, guys. Don't forget to follow me, to subscribe, to hit the like button, and never forget to make comments on the comment section, guys. Thank you, guys.